All right, for number 4. Number 4, it's very straightforward, okay? And the reason why I said it's very straightforward, not because I'm a math teacher, it's because that you need to know what you love to see, okay? For example, you should love to see something like this, okay? Because that gives you just x, right? The cube root and the cube, they cancel each other out. Now, not only this, you want to also understand when we say cube root, okay, what does it really mean? It is simply asking a question. The question is, when you cube root of x cubed, when you do cube root of x cubed, we are simply asking the question like, hey, what multiplies itself 3 times would get you x cubed? And we say, well, duh, x, right? The same thing goes with cube root of 8, okay? We say, hey, there's an 8 right here. I'm going to do a cube root of 8. That means I want to find out what multiplies itself 3 times would get you 8. 2. Okay. Now, and then we say, all right, what about x to the 6th power then? We say, well, what multiplies itself 3 times would get you x to the 6th power? That would be x squared, because x squared times x squared times x squared, you have x to the 6th power. So this is one way to think about this, to make it really conceptual. Okay, of course, you can use your exponent rules, right? So you can say, oh yeah, power over root, that is x to the 1st power. Okay, same thing right here, power over root, right? That's x squared. You can do that too. Okay, so you got lots of ways to do things, okay? But you got to know what is something that you want to see, right? These are the things you want to see. Now, then back to the question right here, cube root of 24 times x to the 7th power. Well, 24 in itself, it's not really a perfect cube, so there's nothing we can do with 24 directly, but 24 is 8 times 3, and 8 is a perfect cube. X to the 7th power is not a perfect cube, but x to the 6th is. So we can go ahead and break it down like this, and then we can handle this one by one. And we say, what's cube root of 8? That is 2. What's cube root of 3? Well, same, nothing changes. What's cube root of x to the 6th power? X squared. And what is cube root of x? Cube root of x. That's it. That's the answer. Okay. So whenever we want to simplify some radicals like this, we are simply asking a simple question. Cube root is, hey, can you find out what multiplies itself 3 times to get you the thing that appears underneath the cube root? And we just go ahead and search. That is why we call it a function. Okay, we want to ask a simple question to find something out. Okay.